Here we are in Sydney on Easter Sunday. It's the Opera House. A beautiful day. And we swing around here, Sydney Harbour. Right over here is the Harbour Bridge. Look at that. Back to the Opera House. And to the city, just here. Here we are ready. This is in Hyde Park in Sydney. This is called the Shrine of Remembrance, especially for ANZAC Day today, when all the people come and the soldiers and the old soldiers who are still alive, not many, to remember our fallen soldiers in the Battle of Gallipoli in Turkey, World War I. That's what it's all about. And there's the shrine in front of me. Very big day in Australia. Always public holiday. There's only about 20 ANZAC soldiers left. They're all in their mid-90s now. The battle was in 1915 in Turkey. Hello there, this is Easter Sunday, Sydney Harbour. There's the bridge. And there's the Opera House. There's the big ship. Tons of people here. Beautiful day, 29 degrees. Hey Eddie, here we are in Darling Harbour, not far from Town Hall Station. All the luxury yachts, the rich people. A big Australian flag up there. There's the city behind me. Swing it back around to here. Big tourist spot. That's a decommissioned warship over there. That'll do. And this is in the middle of Hyde Park. Very popular with tourists. Actually, I have a story. My dad was mugged here one night. He used to work in the city in one of the big offices, and he finished shift work late at night. He walked through this park to one of the subways, and these young guys jumped him and beat the shit out of him, stole his money. He never told us until we found out from a friend. He was too proud. Lucky he didn't tell us. Me and my brothers would have come here on a vigilante and sought them out and killed the motherfuckers. Anyway. Nice big trees. Oh, there's over there, that's St Andrew's Cathedral. That's very, very famous. It's been there over 100 years. It's probably the most famous in Australia. Sydney Town Hall Station, ANZAC Day, 25 April.